All right, so here's an example that really is important and we should work on it because it has formulas it's in my own native language, so we'll convert it to English, plus we will use the formulas and the sort of styling in here that we are having in here so that you can have in Google Sheets. I know this may not fit your organization, maybe your personal work, but really let's see the options that we can really use them in Google Sheets and really you can really somehow exchange it and you can turn it on, you can have it for another goals. So it's not really it's not essential to work my work, so you can figure out your work and do the options that you have there and you need there. So in here I have a big title in here, okay, a big title of the table. Down in here I have the columns, each columns has already data in here, and then it's really just numbers. Down in here we have the total. Okay, now let's do it now in here. I'm gonna go through the Google Sheets in here, and let's say it's gonna be salary, right? Then in here I can have the list of the the salary. I can say, for example, and I can say select on. I can merge them all in here from the format. Then where was it? It was to merge cells all. Now I can say list of employees salary. I know your method might be different, so it doesn't matter. So that's why you learn merging in here. So it's really easy. Down in here I have the name, the employee name, down the father name, down here the job, and then the salary, and then the overtime, then the tax and the total. Okay, so I'm gonna say the number. I can say no. Name, or make a first name I can say, and then I can say last name, not father name in here. I need it. And down there I have the job, and I have the salary. I have overtime. Oops, overtime. And then I have what? Then I have tax in here, and I have the total. So I have wrote down in here. Now I can make it really table. How? Well, through the format. I can make it conditional formatting. I can make it alternate colors. Sorry. So let's go with alternate colors. So I'm gonna go with the orange now. And other is right now good. There you go. I made it now. So whenever I go and write data in here, so number 1, number 2, now it changes the color. You can see, wow, it's amazing. I can now move it to the center. Move it to the center in here. It's not center, so I can merge it better and better. Format and merge cells, merge all. And I can turn it to the any color I want it to. Or maybe I want to just mono street and a little bigger. And this much is better. To the middle, it should be to the middle, right? Now this is not middle. How you can do that? You can go to the format, and you can go to the alignment, and then to the middle. There you go. It's a nice thing. I can change to another color to maybe this color really fits nice. And I can change this to the mono streets and make them all bold. Yeah, it fits. It's really nice. And make this a little larger, 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 larger. So the first name should be, for example, JM, okay? Ikhtiari, and job should be teacher. Salary, I don't know what salary I used in here. It's in my own native language, so let's say, I don't know, but let's say maybe $100. And then I can over time, maybe if he teaches more, what he gains. So maybe another, maybe $2,000. I don't know. I know this is silly, but let's see it and understand it. And the tax should be what? The tax, yeah, the tax, because his salary is really that much. I can use if formula too to identify, but let's keep it simple right now and not use if formula in here now. So each employee really doesn't matter. So this is the rule. Doesn't matter how they our salary is, but everyone should pay at least $100. Okay, I know it's crazy. So I'm gonna use formula in here. The formula of minus, plus, and multiple and division. Okay, 3, 4 operators, and you can do that, of course. I'm gonna say I'm gonna say the salary minus plus, so you can add it, plus this over time minus this tax, and then I can close the bracket, hit enter. Now you can see, now I'm gonna do a lot of examples in here with just copy and pasting with one person, okay, to save time. Now you can see, okay, it's really that much. I can change the name of the people maybe to Jan, Tom, and really just overwrite them. And they're all teacher, of course. I'm gonna say Bob, Jobs, Gates. So they are all teacher, and some of them has this much, okay, and some of them has maybe this much. I don't know this much. I know this is a silly thing to really have, but we didn't have any choice. So there you go, we made it now. So everyone should get paid this much, okay? Now the goal of this table was to understand how much the company, how much the organization really spend on his employee, or right? So how you can get it? Now you can see in here, I have the total in here, all right? The formula of sum. I can write in here. So let's add a header for this using alternate colors, using footer, sorry. So I've added footer in here. And I can say total. This is the this is that, okay, that's why it's colored. The total should be this much, okay? I'm gonna use the sum formula in here, sum. And I can say open bracket, then I'm gonna select all and hit. That's the how much usage he had, okay? That's the all thing they had to do. So that's the little example, little project that we built on. Let's go to the next project.